Hey guys, welcome back. This class we're gonna see how to install Docker for Windows. So I'm on docker.com and I'm just gonna hit here on get started. Now on this drop down, we're just gonna click on download for Windows and that's downloading it now. Once it's finished, we're just gonna proceed with the installation. Now Docker desktop just finished download. I'm just clicking on it and that will trigger the installation process. I'm just gonna click yes on the installer and this will bring the installer for us. Here on configuration, I'll just leave as it is. So enable WSL 2 Windows features and add shortcut to the desktop. Now let's wait until Docker does whatever it needs to do. So now Docker finished installing and we need to restart the machine to take effect. So click close and restart. And of course that will close and restart my machine. So I'll see you back in a few minutes. Okay, so now my computer restarted. And as we can see, if we come here on the Docker, we can see the little Docker desktop icon and say it's running. When your computer restart, you're gonna see something like this. So Docker, this animation means that Docker is starting, and after a few seconds, depending on your machine, it will stop and then we'll be able to log into our containers. Now here we can see the settings and we're gonna be looking through this later on the course. See you there.